Wow, you guys have a gigantic bed. You could look out the window with that, man.
Yeah, can I get more granola?
Oh, okay. She's so cute. She's like the gigantic bottle. Just girly sing it.
To tell hallelujah. God, you've been patient. God, you've been gracious. Faithful forever.
Hello. I fed her baked crispy chips.
I think the pickle kind of overpowered the taste of the chip.
I'm gonna suck the juice out of it.
Yeah.
Party like it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. Party like it's your birthday.
When we start singing this song.
It's your birthday. Yay! Okay, we ready, y'all?
No.
Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Hi, sweet girl. Come here. Come here. I want to show the camera. Look at how cute she looks in her little sweater. You guys see her? Oh, she's so happy.
You never failed me yet.
I know.
Like their baddest powers, everything you think of me. God,
You have every victory.
I didn't.
Ah.
The whole world can sing.
What? Like that? Did you probably do it? Freeze it again.
But he's so good.
Oh my gosh, look at her.
I know, we're just
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Excuse me. Bro, hey. Give my swag back. Exactly.
Why would you take your own glasses and put it on her head? That's just. Valued off what they wear.
What?
Any girl that is valued off what they wear.
Off what they wear?
Like,
Value
any
put off
girl
of
who
what they
gets
wear,
it.
that's pretty shallow.
Any girl that's like material.
What?
Huh?
What?
I don't. Wait,
Wait,
okay. Where did this come from? I'm confused.
Because she said which girl buys Gucci nowadays. Who
Oh,
buys
we're all like,
That was
what? We
weird.
missed that.
So,
like, okay, most girls buy very expensive things, yes, to be valued by them. But then, there are girls, very, very few of them. Okay, yes, girl, yes, we're good. Do 'em. Yes, yes. Oh, she's so cute. They're filming everyone eating over there.
actually really excited to go to, what's it called? I'm really excited to go. We're gonna go to the ice cream place later, so I'm super excited. With mommy, super excited. That should be fun. Where should we go? I accidentally wrote to holding my bag. Look, he's so cute. Oh, she's so happy. She was playing with the dog over there and she had literally so much fun. I'm really enjoying it. It's so pretty out here. This is a note to my future husband I'm introducing to this video. Glasses, I can't take myself seriously when I have them on, but I'm wearing them anyway. If you think that I'm hard to please, literally, you give me like a fun day out where I can enjoy your presence, and literally, I'm happy. You see me in this clip, I'm happy, and that's period, okay? If I'm high maintenance in your eyes, then maybe I'm not for your eyes then. Don't let it get too close to the water though. So cool. Like, I feel like just the way it looks so cool. Like when I'm walking. Also, this outfit is giving. It's like very business casual.
Yeah.
I know. I love it. I'm glad I got this jacket actually because it's so cute. I love it because you can literally wear this with anything. I feel like I can even wear this with a dress. Don't you think? I feel like I could wear it with the dress and it still look super pretty. She's actually watching it. Look at her. She's just watching it. She's entertained by it. She's like, what is it? It's so cute. She's like, her first response is like, what is that? I want to play with it. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications for all new videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that you are so very loved by the Lord, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.